Today we're going to Salisbury with the chaser. Alright, we're on the way without the chaser. It's like 30 centimeters too wide for the trailer, so there's no way I can fit it on that trailer. I used to rent a different trailer, but that one was not available today, so they only had this trailer, and it's like 30 centimeters too narrow, and with a wide angle kit the chaser's just way too big to fit on the trailer. So I'm driving home right now, giving back the trailer and picking up the E36, and then we're gonna go with the E36. It's also fun, but I was really hyped on trying the chaser. Spares are loaded up, filling it up right now, and then we got a hour and a half drive there. Let's hope the E36 survives. Actually, the last time I had a problem with this car was when the fuel pump broke in Germany, and since then I've done like 5,000 kilometers with no problems at all. So far so good.
Now, so we just arrived at the event. Bro, you started taking the whole thing off. The wheel bearing.
Completely fucked.
No one knows.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Whole transition. Corner! Open!
I'm scared of this wall.
Look at the handwork! Keep it going! Keep it forward! Keep it going! Oh, just transition, hold on! Ah!
Fuck! Good boy.
Schuld abzahlen.
I just got a 30-minute run, which means I was able to stay on the track for 30 minutes. And now I got a pit stop from Victor, and car's not having any problems except the wheel bearing. I kind of hear it sometimes, but it hasn't fallen off yet, so we're still good. And now we're applying a new 1 of 1 unreleased crash out sticker.
Oh man.
Victor fucked it up. Domi's car's down and some other E46. Beautiful views, just waiting.
We actually don't know what happens. Are they cleaning the track up there? Maybe
some E46 things like leaking oil.
Probably. Let's also not forget about we also got recognized today. We got some people weren't that happy we here. I guess because we got our AI videos that we posted last time are a bit too realistic, and they really fought for it.
Our AI donut.
Yeah.
Got some people mad.
And we're getting some
very bad looks, but
yeah,
we're here.
We kind of getting pushed out to the what's called corner.
Yeah.
But I mean, with community.
Yeah, but the people are complaining that I'm not driving track. And then I pull up the track and they're still mad. Like the AI video I made of me drifting on the street, and they said do it on a track, and now I'm doing it at the track and they're still mad, so I don't know.
Well, for people back, that's so hard.
Crash out! got a little tap, but
Tap.
it's not too bad.
Well, that's almost worse than Jan's in Poland. Bro, neue Autohaufe.
The bumper clip is fucked. Oh hell no! 320 approved or no?
So that's actually the second time already I got to drive it, and comparison to you have massive balls. You got to collect the whole like last part of the track. Me, I kind of got it once or twice. I was happy enough to do that, and I shout out to this guy for letting me drive. And yeah, car's bit damaged,
All good.
but should be good enough.
Yes.
Well, he's gonna risk his license driving home without exhaust.
Elijah has an exhaust delete.
I have it in the trunk, it counts.
Yeah.
Good.
Good.